This is retake probably 2020 of this moto vlog, which I'm trying to record for the last 2 days. So let's get started and see how this goes. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I know you all must be wondering, where have I been for the last few days? Well, guess what? I've been having glitches with recording my moto vlog with the GoPro camera. Apparently there's I would say an issue, which I will definitely address in my next moto vlog. Hopefully, if this records perfectly fine. So there has been a subject or a topic on my mind, and you know, that's typically, I see a lot of people asking me at times too, that why do you ride a motorcycle, Amir? You know, what makes you so happy on two wheels that doesn't make you happy when you are driving a car or on four wheels? And my answer to them always is that two wheels makes me feel lively. You know, riding a motorcycle is a whole new experience for me. Probably it's the same to someone who is riding or driving a car, and you know, they probably feel the same when they're driving their sports cars. And I mean, I've been riding motorcycles since I was 11. That was the first Honda CD70 that I rode. And it's been a non-stop journey since then. Doesn't matter what I'm riding, you know, it could be from my past motorcycles, which were mostly Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Ducati, BMW, you know, each in their own time, but they all brought a huge smile on my face whenever I was out riding. And I would love to hear from you. Like, if you know, would love to hear from all of you who are watching this moto vlog, that, you know, what makes you ride a motorcycle? You know, how do you feel when you ride a motorcycle? Feel free to leave your comments below. And thank you all, you know, before I start, for your support. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. So how do I feel when I ride? I mean, I love, look at this beauty, the escarpment or anywhere I'm riding. This is something I only enjoy when I'm on two wheels. I get to meet different people when I'm riding, get to know them. That's an experience I will never get when I'm driving a car. We ride past our fellow motorcyclists, we wave each other. I feel our community is so strong. These and many other things combined are the reasons why I'm here riding today and love doing what I'm doing. I mean, I don't enjoy this beautiful nature or traveling on four wheels as much as I do riding a motorcycle. I get to enjoy the scenery. I feel personally that I get to enjoy the scenery much more than I would if I was in the car. Maybe I'm more attentive of my surroundings when I'm riding motorcycle. Could be that. But I get to notice a lot of things. Like, I enjoy every single thing the nature has to offer us. I love talking to our fellow riders. You know, you get to meet them, you wave. I stop at a gas station, you get to meet few. We talk about different motorcycles, different things they have. It could be them riding a Harley or even a sports bike. But it's a way that makes us all connected. I feel we are all one big family. The other big reason, or which has been with me for always, riding is a big time stress reliever for me. When I'm out riding on two wheels, I'm not just a free bird, but I feel in a completely different world out there. Typically, if I'm stressed, my go-to place if I'm stressed is to go out and ride a motorcycle. And it's not just something I have noticed, even my wife has noticed over the years. So if she feels that I'm stressed or down, or which we all get, no one's happy always, so she says to me, "Hey Amir, why don't you go out and go for a quick ride?" And believe me, if I'm out riding even for 20 minutes or half an hour, I come back home as a completely different person. My stress is gone, I am back happy, and yes, ready to enjoy and live the next day. And so it's a big part of me in relieving my stress. I'm sure many of you can relate to it. That it's probably you have a better reason. Maybe I could relate to your reasons once you put them down in the comments. That what riding a motorcycle makes you feel. And I would love to hear from you. So together we are such a strong family that I feel nothing else in this world could give me or bring to me than it's riding motorcycle. Even traveling, I enjoy looking at the pictures of our fellow riders across the world. They could be in Europe, down south in America, Mexico, wherever they could be, in any part of the world. When I watch those pictures or the videos of them riding in those beautiful places, believe me, I can watch that video non-stop for an hour, versus me watching someone riding a car and telling me their story. But that's maybe me. I could be wrong. That's just me, and my love for riding motorcycle. That's how passionate I am. I started riding when my mom was not happy about me riding motorcycles. Even when I was 18 and I formally got my motorcycle license, my mom never wanted me to ride. And I bought a motorcycle and I had it parked at my sister's house. And I would drive there in my car, pick the motorcycle up, and then go. So I have done some crazy things just to ride a motorcycle. That shows my passion and love for riding motorcycle. Something recently I did, I am typically, I would love to share this story, and it happened yesterday. I recorded in the Moto vlog, but apparently GoPro has been messing with the audio, and I couldn't post that video. But something happened yesterday, which was I typically don't carry anything when I'm riding a motorcycle. I just hate carrying anything. I feel like it's a burden on me to carry something on the motorcycle. But yesterday My wife gave me some cupcakes to drop it off to. It's a very funny story, or at least funny for me, but I would love to share with you. She gave me around 6 cupcakes to drop it off to someone. And I said, sure, why not? You know, my Goldwing can carry a lot of things. Why not? 6 cupcakes are nothing, properly packed in the thing. I took them off. Guess what? My distance was about like 5 kilometers from home to the place. And it was a nightmare when I opened the trunk to take the thing out. And I saw that 4 of them were flipped sideways. And 2 were there, 2 of them were in the place. And the cream on the cupcakes was all over the tray. So I guess, you know, I felt bad. I did apologize to them that, you know, hey, sorry about this. And but yeah, I thought, you know, going on a Goldwing, everything should be intact. I guess everything is bouncing in the trunk. Or maybe that's how I ride, you know. I'm riding too fast. I know that I was crossing a railway track, and I didn't, like, I mean, it was a little bit bumpy, but I didn't expect that being so bumpy was, you know, it makes your things or food go crazy in your trunk. Anyway, folks, hopefully the sound is good and I'm able to post this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this moto vlog. Feel free to like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.